Please note down the numbers, ma. Again, those who are not noted, please note down the numbers. Online admin is the Rajeshwari madam. Offline admin is the Rajesh sir. So for you, it's offline is required. Rajesh sir is there, right? Here. And online people is contact number is Rajeshwari madam. And myself is Omkar Nalagoni, and that is my contact number. So yeah. So enroll as soon as possible, ma. Enroll as soon as possible. So Monday onwards, be ready by 9 a.m. only. Okay, be ready by 9 a.m. And Monday, bring laptop also and notebook also. So bring laptop and notebook Monday onwards. Okay, notebook is necessary. Without notebook, don't come to the class. You need to note something, right? Notebook is necessary. And wherever the laptop is required, I will tell you that first month anyhow laptop is required. That we will do with Python, that right. So enroll as soon as possible. That is so that they will allow you to the sessions. Yeah. So these are the two certifications, ma'am. That is you will get from the Naresh IT. Once after the course certification from the NASCAM, and another one is the same thing, that is. So they are collaborated with some the things IT employment side things. These two certifications you will get, and this is from Naresh IT offer certifications. And I told you, right, we will get some. You need to do some certifications. You need to do some certifications and internships. These are the mandatory internships. So the certifications, internships, I will help you. So what certifications you need to do, what internship you need to do. Okay, that is the thing. So as many as certifications you need to do, that will be more weightage. As many as internships you do, that will more weightage. And don't believe the outside noise that yesterday I showed you, right? Some people are saying that there's no jobs for freshers. Okay, there is no jobs for freshers. And that is totally wrong. This is totally wrong statement. If you are not get the jobs, then how you will become an experienced guy? Okay, how will you get an experienced guy? So all these experienced guys is what? So one thing is what happened. Data science is a boom, right? Data science is now the fancy name. That is a fancy name. So everyone in the name of the data science, in the name of the data science only, they want to enter into IT industry. That is happening. So that's why the skills are very less. The skilled people are very less generally. So that's why this claim is coming slowly. But don't believe this thing. Okay. So yesterday I showed you the LinkedIn, right? The LinkedIn I showed you that so many things are what? Fresher jobs only, right? Like 2017, 2018 gap only. That is, they are doing the civil engineer, mechanical engineer. After they are getting the job. So don't believe the outside. Skilled people in data science are very less. Lack of skills in data science and AI. Okay. So generally there are so many skill gap is coming actually. That is shortage of Times of India saying that 2023 fourth or the shortage of skilled data science can be attributed to primary reasons. Training of utilization, lack of training. There's a skilled people are very less people in the data science field. So here we are offering very quality training that you can inquire outside also about me and my trainings. That is, and choose wise decision. You never regret about with me my trainings. That is, but data science requirements. Data science requirement in India. Suppose let's see. So much the salaries are coming, ma. That is salaries are is their salaries are very light. That is data science requirements in next 10 years. Let's see. So this trend is due to the exponential data science demand. Experts have predicted the data science application will continue to grow over the next decade also. Next 10 years also, the data science will be going like this in exponentially. Because I told you, right, so much requirement is there. So much requirement is there in outside. So we can do the research that is. There's so much demand will be there in that data science. The 24.63 billion of worth calculated of and marketing of analytics. That is. We can do that. And now companies also teaching the generative AI. Infosys recently claimed, right? Yesterday, Infosys, we have seen Infosys results. They claim that, okay, if you watch that company's results, if you watch that company's results, they will say how many people are they are hiring, okay, any hikes are there, how they are getting the projects, what they are training the juniors. That companies will say that. If you watch the company's results, the company, there is a financial guy will be there, right? And they clearly claim that they're training their bench students to generative AI concepts. They claim that, okay, because the generative AI is coming next thing is, so that's why they are training the freshers also. They are hiring the freshers and they are training. That is, so that's why they are coming into data science, right? Then who said there is no freshers jobs like that? So don't believe the outside noise. Don't believe the outside noise. You can go through the ones, the summary also. You can see that any website, that is the summary, the Q2 results, how the employment is there. Companies are training their employees on Gen AI. Okay. So to help the employees prepare the future AI-driven world, the company recently launched a generative AI skills on the Genoma. It acts as the gateway to employees, LLMs, and that is companies are using that. And they're collaborated with so much money also. Okay, Infosys collaborated with Microsoft to accelerate generative AI. This is also recent news. Infosys collaborated with the Microsoft. Yeah. So companies are interested to train them. That is, so that's why so many opportunities are there. So try to utilize those opportunities. Try to utilize that and don't listen the outside noise. If you learn in the good way, if you train in the good way, okay, and you do the certifications, and you do the internships, and you participate in the hackathons, then no one will stop this if you do these kind of things. Of course, this is a competitive world, right? Anything is a competition. If you go for any cloud technology also, if you go for Salesforce also, if you go for Mulsoft, if you go for Python, if you go for Power BI, anywhere the difficulty is, the competition is there and everywhere, because the population is so high. Obviously competition will also so high. So you need to come out of this competition. So my suggestion is try on the data science. Why I'm saying the try means the next 15 years, you no need to look back. No need to look back. No need to look back. Next 15 years. That is 100% pakka, sure. That is. I am glad to I'm in this technology. So next 10 years recession will come. Nothing will happen to your jobs. Again, next 10 years recession will come. Again, there is you are in limelight. At that time, maybe you need to again advance the technologies. Getting my point? So data science will give that boost. Data science will give that boost. So I already showed you that I already showed the importance of data science. importance of data science I already dictated you, and the opportunities also. Opportunities also I told that is, and syllabus also I explained about you, and I showed you that those who are got job of my students in the LinkedIn also. I showed you that also, and how important to make your digital profile also I explained. Digital profile. Not only that, now onwards you join in any technology, any tools, whatever, do increase the digital profile. Try to increase the digital profile. Write the articles, paste that into LinkedIn, so you'll get the direct opportunities. Utilize that kind of things. So till now you are good, right? Everything. So you understood the road path. Everyone. There is no doubt at all. Okay, jobs. There are plenty jobs. Plenty of jobs are there. Plenty of jobs are there. Don't listen the outside noise, because only I told you, right? Outside noise is why it is coming because of lack of training. Lack of training. They trained, they did not well trained, and they did not committed 4 to 5 months. They committed only initially. They are in the first starting 2 months they committed and they left, and they felt that data science is a different thing. No, data science is not a different thing. It is not a rocket science. First of all, only thing is the commitment is required. Commitment is required. So that there plenty of jobs are there. Plenty of jobs are there. Plenty of projects are coming yet to come. Plenty of projects are yet to come on the basis of data science. Yeah. So let's do some concepts. Let's do some concepts. Yeah. So how many platforms are we have seen yesterday in the Python? Tell me. How many platforms you have seen? Yeah, tell me what is the first platform? What is the first platform? Anaconda, Jupyter, Notebook. Anaconda, Jupyter, Notebook. Some people are saying they are seeing that Jupyter Lab also will be available. Yes, Jupyter Lab also will be available. And Spider also will be available. Spider also will be available. But we'll mainly focus on what? Jupyter Notebook. And what is the extension? What is the file extension? Yeah, tell me, what is the file extension? .ipynb. So yesterday we drill something yesterday. Those who are very starting to Python, right? So yesterday what happened? So we have taught Python 2 days, the basic concept, okay, or the evening batch. And in the class only we conducted the exam. So the basic 5 questions. Basic 5 questions. So I just want to explain how my teaching will be, okay? And this is the instructions. Yeah, yesterday only happened, okay? I'm providing the assignment questions. You need to complete all these questions in today's class in front of me only. Okay, not at your home. You need to do in the class only, in front of me. So what happened? There are 5 questions are there. Everyone need to upload in some PDF format. So what happened if you do in front of me? Tell me what is the use of that? If you do in front of me, what is the use of that? If you got stuck, I will help you, right? On the spot. Because I already trained 3 days and I'm giving the 5 questions to exam. You need to do in front of me and you will upload here. I reviewed each and every work. I will review the class only in the class only till yesterday type 10 o'clock. Till 10 p.m. I am in the Naresh ID building only. So there are some offline students also stayed. They're doing practicing. I help them. They learn that. So we are starting Python. This is an opportunity to rectify your queries, so that we are slowly moved into some deep, right? So this kind of drill session I will conduct very frequently. If a machine learning will come, I will ask you to write something in front of me only, so that I will clarify your doubts and everything that is. So please upload into PDF format, and 7:30 to 8 p.m. I will explain everything. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. have a test. And so many people are done. That is. So this is so many people, 41 people are handed, and everything I have provided the comments. That is not in the class while checking. It is good. Those who are mistake is there. Suppose some is a keyword, round up is required. Like that, I mentioned the comments in front of them only. In front of them only. So this is my way of teaching. My way of teaching is completely different. I will come to you down to your mind. So I can reach your mind. I can try to reach your mind. So definitely, whether it's a Python, whether it's a machine learning, you no need to learn anything before. Simply come to the class, sit and learn it. There's so many people are there, right? Like you only, like though no one is know Python, and some people are freshers are there, they are doing. So 41 people are submitted. 41 people are submitted. Remaining 21 people are some experienced people will be there, some online people will be there. They will see that we know that we can do later, some busy schedule is there, like that will be there. But 41 people are there, that is here. So many people are submitted. And some people are submitted two-handed, two-handed. Why two-handed? Because something they are done before wrong. Now I rectified, again they are done, again they are doing that. Like that. Not only that, today also in the data science, in the machine learning also, people are submitting. I reviewed them all the things, like what you need to do. I will review it and everything. Not only that, I need explanation also whenever you people are not completed. When I said something, if you're not completed, like suppose I need explanation those who are not submitted. Why you are not submitted? That explanation also I will take. Because I given assignment. Sir, I am busy with my office work. Like that. Sir, I am busy with family. So like that. So why you are not able to submit in the class? So that is also I will go through that. So it is not like a easy course, ma. It is not like a easy course, especially with me. Especially with me. So that's why people will learn and people will likes my training, because I will help to them to grow as much as I can. So that's why it will be very helpful when I interact so much. I can spend time with you. I can spend time with you. You can come to Saturdays, you can come to Sundays. If you want, you can come and meet me outside also. You can discuss your ideologies also, like the team meeting, group meeting kind of also we will conduct. There's so many things are there. It's a kind of a growing each other. The kind of a growing each other. So don't think like that. There are so many freshers are there. So many different background people are there. And this guy is there. One guy is there. His name is called. I will tell this guy is there. This guy is there called Patan, Jubair Patan. Jubair Patan. Some Patan is there. I will tell you one guy is there. Where is the name? Have you seen the name? Patan? Up only. Jubair Patan. This guy is a completely different and is doesn't know is lack of he know only Hindi. He know only Hindi. He not able to talk in English. But how well he had done, see, in the class. He doesn't know Python anyway, he doesn't know IT anything. But he done this. Starting first 2 days, he struggled a lot. And then he practiced in front of me. And he got the confident. He got the confident. So what I'm saying is these all are inspirational candidates. Those are hungry. We want to learn. We want to prove ourselves. We want to set in IT industry. So we want to grow like that. So these are so many people are there like that. And here if you see, I can say this in this guy. So Vaishali is there. Vaishali is a married woman recently, and she has kid also like 1 or 2 years. That is, and she's completely a different background. So she has implemented entire algorithm, ML algorithm with this. Entire ML algorithm she implemented. Complete end-to-end she implemented, see. And given the comments also, check logistic regression and it is good, like kind of thing. So everything in front of you only I can teach and I can do. Why I'm showing all these things means, so these are the candidates, those who are thinking like that, can I able to do? Can I able to cope up? Is the right suitable to me? Yes, it is the right suitable to you. You can able to do. Anyone can able to do. Anyone can able to. She's spending the 3 months rigorously and she's able to. She develop end-to-end code. See, she develop end-to-end algorithm. That is. So you are after 3 months also, you are also in this position to end-to-end algorithms. And there's one more guy is there, you know, his name is called Mobin Sheikh, I think. Yeah, Mobin Sheikh. Oh, somehow is misses. Yesterday has submitted. Yeah, he submitted, but I don't know why it is missing showing. He is almost a 20 years experience guy in IT industry. And he doesn't know about Python. He forget about coding language long back. Like 20 years experience guy, you can see, right? And Python is also new for him. And developing a code also is very tough for him. But he is very cope up very fast. He's a 20 years experience guy in IT industry. So what I'm saying is, you are understanding, right? What I'm saying is, so it is the right path. So those who are feeling that it is the right for me or not, we are able to do, man, don't think that question is, it is, I am able to do or not. Definitely you are able to do. Definitely you are able to do. I don't know C language when I'm in college days. I'm very poor in the C language. And you know, my program also executed partially in my final exam. I still remember that. Instead of she failed me, she written partially executed. Okay. But I'm now very good at in Python. That is. Are you getting what I'm saying is? My completely I wanted to pursue a PhD. Okay, I'm in that. I'm BTech, when we are studying, we are in the BTech third year only we have GATE exam. I consecutively have 5 times qualified GATE exam guy. I qualified UGC net guy. My different era is that. So due to some other issues, I moved to IT actually. So we can do that. No problem. That is. You no need to require C language. I don't know C language. I don't know Java language. I know only Python language. Okay. I know only Python language. I can teach you the Python. You can able to do yourself. You can able to do yourself. Like the drills we will conduct in front of me. You can ask me. You can freely ask you any doubts in the starting ways. But only thing is you need to keep your 100% effort in the class. 100% effort in the class. Like means your ears, eyes, and mind should be in the class only, not somewhere. Not in somewhere. So definitely you can do everyone can do, not a problem in that. Yeah. So second one is the Google Colab. Second one is Google Colab. Second one is Google Colab. So yesterday what happened? That one funny thing is happened. I joined recently in Cognizant. So we have a project introduction is happened. So they introduced into my team. So there's one junior guy is there. He's almost 1 year spending on the project. That is. So what he's asking me question na? Do you know Python? First question he asked me. Okay. And next question, do you know Google Colab? How to write the Python code? That means understand the question they are asking. That means they're feeling that these people doesn't know about that. They're very new kind of things. That is. Do you know Pandas data frame? Yes, I know Pandas data frame. Yes, I know this. Yes, I know this. It's a completely a robotic information kind of thing. I am the superior than him, but he is working on the project from 1 year and he's asking me such a questions like this. Do you know Google Colab? Yes, I know Google Colab. Do you know Python? Yes, I know Python. Because he doesn't know about me, right? Past. That is. So understand that kind of thing, how they are asking the outside. Now, Google Colab also they are offering the on Jupyter notebook. And it is also file extension is what ma? .ipynb. .ipynb. And third one is we will go with VS Code. VS Code. And fourth one is PyCharm we will see. PyCharm. And fifth one is Notepad++. Notepad++. So all the extension, all these three extensions is what? .py extensions. .py extension. And the sixth one we will show with Azure Databricks. Azure Databricks. And the seventh one is Google Workbench. Google Workbench. This is a cloud related. This is a cloud related things. So every platform I will teach. Every platform I will teach. Starting will go with Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. When you are doing machine learning algorithm apps, when you are going to that VS Code and PyCharm, and when we do that MLOps, you will go to the Azure and Google Workbench. So every platform will slowly will complete all this in the 4 months. So tomorrow, the guy asking me, right? Do you know Google Colab? You are in the position, right? Tomorrow. If anyone asks you, do you know Azure Databricks? Yes, I know Azure Databricks. Do you know how to write the code in Azure Databricks? Yes, I know how to write that. That confidence you will get. That confidence you will get. Every platform we will do that is. So Monday, which certification? Certifications again, two types. Naresh Shetty will offer the two certifications, right? That you will get anyhow after course completion. After course completion, you will get. And if you want to do outside certification, if you want to do outside certification, so I will refer only free certifications, not paid one. Only free certifications only I will tell. Only free certifications. If you want to do the paid certifications from Google or Microsoft, like that, there's a paid certification will be there, but that is about $100 rupees is there. Okay, $100 will be there. That means 8,000 rupees. You need to qualify the exam. If you not qualify the exam, 8,000 rupees waste. So that's why what happened, I not recommend this. Why I not recommend this is, once you join in the companies, right? Once you join in the companies, company will encourage to do this kind of certifications, and they will provide the free vouchers also. Those experienced people, they know company will provide the free vouchers every employee. Okay, once you can attend that exam by using free voucher. So this kind of paid certifications you do after the join in the company only. Company will provide. TCS is providing, Infosys is providing, like HCL is providing. I have done so many certifications in HCL. I have done my Google Engineer certification, Google ML Engineer certification in the Accenture only. Accenture given a free voucher to me. That is, so we done the certification by using Google ML Engineer. That is 2-3 years valid. That is, but 8,000 rupees. Why you want to pay 8,000 rupees? You don't know we will pass or fail, right? So, but if you want really interested again for paid certification, I will help to pass. You need to come to Naresh IIT. You need to write the exam by sitting beside me only. Then only you can be pass. Okay, understood. So free certifications only I will recommend. Yeah, that is free. Naresh IIT and NOSCOM is free only after you enroll the course. After course completion, this is a free. This is free. This is a course completion certification, right? That is the course completion certificate. But these certifications is what? This is completely a Python certification. Python certification, ML certification, generative AI certification. Like that, I will make you do this kind of certification. It is a subject kind of certifications, not course certifications. Course certification will take care by Naresh IIT. You need to take care by yourself about the subject related certifications. That is. So these paid certifications also same like this only, like Python paid certification. Suppose Google ML Engineer is the certification name. That is. So the cost is how much? $100. So no need to spend $100. After joining the company, company will help to provide you. Then lots of materials will be available inside the company. Okay, generally employed people know lots of materials will be there. Lots of references will be there. There are some some NPTEL kind of references will be there. People will talk and people will train you, like that will be there. Whenever you are free, you can grow like that. That's why inside the company, after going, what happened? People will do so many certifications. Because whenever if you want to, some decision will come, company want to remove you, they will see all these things. Have you done the certifications? Have you done your performance is good or not? What is your hike? What is your salary? Everything will matter at the time. So that's why this all will matters. Yeah. Yeah, after you enroll, I will do this. Not now, Santosh, okay? These are all the things I will do after enrollment only. We can't disclose all these things now, and that is not the good way also. Okay. So I will provide everything. No, don't worry. I will provide everything. I already showed in the LinkedIn, right? My students are doing that everything that is. I will provide everything that is already enrolled. Very good. I will provide then. Okay. So here Monday you bring your laptops. Monday, everyone, bring laptops. Monday, I will show you to how to install the Python. How to install the Python. Anaconda. So if you don't have laptop, buy the laptop, take your friend's laptop, whatever you do, but bring the laptops. Okay, laptop configuration, I already explained that is. Okay, those who already have i3, minimum 8 GB RAM, maintain the minimum 8 GB RAM. Those who are buying new one, minimum buy the i5 one, 8 GB RAM, 64-bit processor, Intel, SSD, 1 terabyte. 4 GB RAM might not be supportable. Let's see. SSD is there. Yeah, let's see then. Monday we'll see. Okay, if it not support, you can increase the RAM. Yeah. So let's see. So I will open one Python class now. Just look at the Python. That is how the Python is easy. Ah, it's fine. That's the gaming one, right? Gaming one is so big, but is I'm saying very low level. That is gaming one absolutely fine. AMD processor, Ryzen processor, everything is fine. Yeah, if it is a new one, I am telling it is a new one, ma. If it is a new one, if you are going to buy a new one, make sure that you buy these kind of things. If it is the old one, we'll check first and then we will modify the according to that. Understood, guys? If you are a new one is there, if you anyone want to buy a new one, take minimum these kind of things. Minimum. Okay, if the old one is there, we will see how it will work with the old one. Once you do work, starting work only, then only we know. But laptop is compulsory, ma. 200% laptop is required. 200% laptop is necessary. Without laptop, you can't do this course. Any IT course. Any IT course without laptop, you can't do that. Okay, remember that thing. So this installation of Python, this is actually Python page. This is all the things you don't need to worry now. Monday onwards, you will get to know familiar that. Now just listen the Python class. Okay. Now concentrate on the Python class itself. I told you this is a notebook, Jupyter notebook, ma. It is a Jupyter notebook. And what you are seeing, the cells is there, right? This cells is nothing but used to run the code. Used to write the codes. These cells. The cells are used to write the code. And whenever your box is selecting kind of a green color is coming, right? That means the box is selected. The box is selected. Every programming language, every platform will run by using a called kernel. What is called name is called kernel. Kernel is a treat like as a friend. You need to treat like a kernel as a friend. Suppose your friend. So kernel is, I can say, kernel is idle. That means your friend is free. Your friend is free to do work. Kernel is idle means what? Your friend is free to do work. Suppose kernel is busy. Kernel is busy. What is my meaning of busy? Your friend is busy. You can't do the work at a time. Two works at a time. So you need to finish what is work already doing. Then you need to wait for that. So kernel is idle is the one thing. Kernel is busy. And when kernel is dead, what is dead? He will not able to work anything, right? That is the dead. Three things. Kernel is idle. Kernel is busy. Kernel is dead. Kernel is idle means you will see white color dot. What you will see? White color dot. I will show where the dot is there. Okay. Kernel is busy means, tell me which color? Any guess? Pink or red? Red means dead. Red means dead only. It's a black. Which color? Black color. And dead means red color. That means red color. Now let's see where the kernel is there. You see here, Python 3. What is the color is there? White color. That means he is idle. Now if you run something, you will do the job. If you run something, you will do the job. So what kind of jobs? Let's see here. What kind of jobs? Let's see. Suppose A is equal to 20. Same thing I'm writing. B is equal to 30. I want to do A plus B. What is the answer? 50. Simple. A is equal to 20, B is equal to 30, A plus B is equal to 50. Python is very simple. Now when I run this code, you check this dot, okay? Everyone look at the dot when I run this code. When I run this code, everyone look at the dot. It is blinking is coming something. Are you able to see some blinking? No? Let's see one more thing. For don't look at the codes, okay? Don't look at the codes. Again, I'm telling you are in the starting stage. Don't look at the codes. I already showed you that so many people are successfully writing the codes. So you also will write the codes. Don't look at the syntax. Don't look at the code. Understand the concept. Understand the concept. For I in range of, I am printing suppose 1000 numbers. I am printing how many numbers? 1000 numbers. Now let's see the kernel, your kernel. So it is very fast game. Okay. Some black dot you are seeing. Black dot. Are you able to see black dot? I will give one more 0. Are you able to see black dot? Now that means this guy is what now? Busy. Busy. He is not able to run work. He need to finish this work. He finished. How many numbers he printed? 1, 0, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. If you give one more 0, then your laptop will gone now. Your platform will gone now. Okay. But let's see one more observation. You see here idle here and you run here. And there's a one star mark also is there. That means also it is busy. Star mark is also what? It is a busy. Star mark as well as there's a black dot. If you run again this code line above, again I'm running A is equal to 20, B is equal to 30, it will not run. So let's see, first run this. He is busy. Again I'm running this. See, the answer is not coming. 50 is not coming. Why? He is busy to run this code first. He is busy to run this code. So Python is a compiler internally, step-by-step process. First it will do only first line first, next second line. Parallelly it will not run. Parallelly it will not run. That's why kernel is idle, kernel is busy, kernel is dead. Kernel is dead. So the three things will be here. Three things will be there. That only ma. Usha. What I'm saying is now no need to worry about this anything. Just listen the class. Okay. How you launch localhost, that app. I will not explain that because you don't have laptops now. You don't have laptops. Monday, if you come with laptop, then only I can show clearly. Na? There is some procedure will be there. How to install the procedure will be there. So that's why it is not the right time. It is not the right time. Only understand how Python is easy. How Python is easy, what you can able to with Python. So Monday, I will show the installation process and you'll get an idea. You'll able to code from Monday. Okay. That's clear, Usha? Yeah, no need to worry about that. No need to worry about the code syntax, and no need to worry how to install. No need to worry how to open. Only simply understand what I am saying that. Simply understand what I am saying that. Now, let's see here. One more thing. So here, you see here 11 and 12 is coming, right? What is this meaning 12 here? What does this mean 12 here? Input means you provide something, output will give, it is the result, okay? Input 12 and input 11 is coming. That means this, when you run the code, right? When you're running the code, this is the 12th number. This is what? 11th number. If I run again, what is the number will come? 13th will come. 13th will come. That means 13 times you run the code. 13 times you run the entire page. 13 times you run. In that, the 13 number is what? This. If I run again this, what is the number? 14. Again, what is the number? 14. That is the numbers will come. That is called input and input 13 and input this. Now let's see if I run again this 15th will come. If I run again this 16th will come. If I run again 17th will come. Every time you run, that will be that you provided the input. Every time means run means you provided the input. I am giving the output. You are providing the input. That means you are mentioning the same work to your friend every time. Okay, every time same work. Every time, suppose you are spending, you are telling your friend is drop to college. Every day you are saying the drop to college only. In 1 month, 30 days, how many will happen? Same work in 30 times? That is only same work. 18th time, same work. 19th time, same work. 20th time. The works will count. Works will count even though the same work also. What is the same work here? A plus B is equal to 50. Same code. But you are running how many times? So many times. That's why the numbers will keep on change. The numbers will keep on change. So that is the one thing. Kernel dead if I give 2 more zeros. Kernel will dead. Okay. And this will waste our time. This will waste our time. You will see kernel will frequently dead for you in the future when you do the AI programs. Then how to tackle. That's why GPUs will come, TPUs will come, right? We'll do on CPUs only. So don't worry about that. So this is your kernel guy. You can interrupt this, you can restart this, you can clear output, you can run this, reconnect, shut down, everything will be there. That is also options also we will see once you are done. Now the important thing is you need to notice one thing. This box is selected, right? So what is this use of this box? To run the code, to run the code. Here also there is some option is there, you see an option. That's the code. So if your box is selected as the code mode, then only it will run the code. Okay. If it is not selected code, suppose it selected markdown, what it selected? Then this box is not used for code. This box is used for write some articles kind of thing. Write some write up. Write some write up. Let's see, this is got struck. I'm writing something. First of all, let's close this. Become very slow. Give me 1 minute. I'll quickly open. I'll quickly open. Give me 1 minute. क्या हो रहा है ऑस्ट्रेलिया टीम को? It is lost every match. That is 2 back to back. Australia. Australia become like kind of, West Indies or what? Nowadays. Yeah. Let's see here. This box is selected what my here? Code position. Suppose I want to write Python. What I want to write? Python. Python is the English or code? English, right? So if I run this, what will happen? It will run or error? It will run or error. Why error? Because you are in which mode? Code mode. So what is will come? It will come, error will come. So error is there. Python is not defined. Suppose if I change into markdown. Now this is code mode or this is now information mode. Now if you run this, what will happen? Python will come like this. That's it is a notebook. We want to write a story. Want to write a story. Today I am learning Python. It is very interesting. It is some write-up. Then what you need to do? Where you need to go? Markdown. Where you need to go? Markdown. Just enter the markdown and just run it. So today I am learning Python. So what is the use of this markdown means? You want to write a story. You want to write a story. Suppose you want to send this book to your friend. So you written some code. What I am writing? I am taking 2 numbers here. 2 numbers here. One is A equal to 20 and second one is B equal to 30. I added those 2 numbers, added A and B and the result is 50. You have written the story. Then where you need to go? Markdown you need to go and you write like this. So now you write the code here. A is equal 20, B is equal 30, A plus B. Now it is in which mode? Code mode. Now you run it so that your friend will understand. What you now you send to your friend, he will understand or not? I am taking two numbers here. One is A is equal 20, second B is equal 30. I added A and B and the result is 50. So that is a notebook use. That is a notebook use. You can write the story, you can write the code also. So when you want to write the story, the name is called what? Markdown. What is the name is called? Markdown. 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 So marking. So this is now bold is coming, right? If you put one hash and space, it will come as a heading. It will come as a heading. Heading will come, subheading will come, bullet points will come, tables will come, everything will come. It's a kind of a complete story. Understood? In Python notebook, there are two things will be there. One is what? Code and another one is markdown. Code is used for what? To write the code. Markdown used for to write the story. To write the story. Not only that, you can show the images also. Yesterday I have seen, right, images. So I will take one image. ML, machine learning. Machine learning will take. Machine learning. We'll take images also. We'll take images. Let's see these images will come or not. We'll go to the inspect. And we'll go to the, it has HTML. Control A, Control C, very famous word in the industries, right? Control V, Control A, Control C, Control V. That's it. It came. Image also will come. So what happened is completely a book. It's completely a book. That's why the starting learners, this is a very, very useful. You can't write the same thing in the VS Code. You can't write the same thing in the VS Code, PyCharm. You can't do that. What you can do, you can write the comments. You can write the comments. A is equal 20. What is the comment here? Here we provided a value of A. Value of A is 20. Like this comment you can write. This is called comment inside the code. It is in which mode now? Code mode. You can run this. You can run this, it will run. So this is a comment. Comments, this is a comment that you can write in the VS Code, PyCharm, Notepad++. But you can't provide the images. You can't provide the stories. That's why this name is called what? Notebook. What we can write in the notebook? Anything, right? Anything we can write in the notebook. Clear? Understood? Notebook is very easy, right? Notebook is and very interesting also. Notebook is. Let's see one more thing. Let's see that variables concept. Variables. Yeah, tell me what is the definition of variables? Definition of variable. Definition of variables. So I always recommend to those who are learning data science people, whenever you need to put some common sense also. Okay, 75% concepts, 25% common sense. Variables means vary, correct? What is the English meaning? What is the English meaning? Change, right? Variables means something will change. Something will change, correct? Something will stay at last means what is called constant. Something will same means what? Constant. Something will vary means what? It is a variable kind of thing. So in Python, what happened? If I provided A is equal 20 means I am saving 20 in a variable called A, correct? I am saving 20 in a variable called A. Suppose it's a number. Now what happened? 20 we are saving in a variable called what? Number. That is what happened here. Tomorrow you change number equal to 100. Then what is the number value here? 20 or 100? 20 or 100? 100, right? That means this variable is changing or not? Yesterday is 20 is there. Today what is there? 100 is there. Where in the location? Number. That's a number is called what? Variable. Number is called what? Variable. Understood the variable now? So it is a variable. So some rules will be there in the variable. What will happen? Some rules will be there in the variable. Let's see the rules. Number equal to 200. So number, I will write here. Now you will say whether it will works or not. It will works or error. Number equal 200. Give the random guess. It's okay, no? Tell me. Number equal 200. Works or fail? Works or fail? I need answer in the chat. Srishti saying work. Manu saying work. It will works. Very good. You are good. Now, number equal to 300. It will works or fail? Works. Very good. Now, next question. NUMBER is equal to 400. NUMBER. Works or fail? Works or fail? Pakka? Very good. Works or fail? Good. That is, you are good. Now, number 1, 2, 3 is equal to 500. Works or fail? Works or fail? Pakka? Are? You know everything? Numbers 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Number equal to 600. Works or fail? Works or fail? Tell me. Fail. Why? Srishi saying work. Florence saying work. Shiva said fail. Nikita said fail. Tell me. Starting with number. It is fail. It is fail. Python is how much easy. You see here. What is the color of this? What is the color of this? What is the color of this? And what is the color of this? Then something fishy. Green means something fishy. Simple. Python is very flexible. Black is okay. Green means something is there. Green means something is there. Let's see some more thing. Let's see. Number is equal to 700. Works or fail? What is the color? What is the color? Black or red or what is there? Red is there? Black only will work. Other than everything will fail. Simple. Black only will work. Now it will fail. That's it. Python is very easy. It will say that you are writing wrong or correct. You are writing wrong or right. It will say that. That will fail. No, it will fail. Okay. Let's see one more thing. Number at the rate 1, 2, 3 is equal to 700. Tell me. Tell me. Say loudly. Fail. Pakka. No doubt in that. What is the color? What is the color? I don't know. I'm very bad at colors. Okay. That is. Pakka it will be fail. No doubt at all. Black is only will works. Okay. Black only will works. Let's see one more thing. That means we'll write the bullet points at the last. Number underscore 1, 2, 3. 800. Tell me. What is the color? But the symbol is there. See, underscore is there. Be careful. Tell me. Fail or pass? You believe in only in color. Yes, it will pass. It will pass. Other than underscore, all the symbols fail. Other than underscore, all the symbols fail. Now let's see. Number value equal to 900. Tell me this. Pass or fail? Pass or fail? See here. 900 is saying that your words are broken, right? Your words are broken. Now 900 will confuse. Should I go to number? Should I go to value? Now see here. Number underscore value. Now which is the confusion? Which is not confusion? Tell me. First one is confusion or second one is confusion? Why first one is confusion? Because two words are there. Because two words are there. This is a combined only, right? This everything is combined. This is a single word only. This is a Single word only. Let's see here. What will happen now? Fail. What is coming? Invalid syntax. Where is the arrow is there? Here. Because it doesn't understanding. Where should I go? You are providing to what is my name? You are providing two names, no? Only one name is required. So that's why we are providing that underscore. Now it will works. So spaces will be not required. Okay. Now tell me the bullet points now. Tell me the bullet points. The first one is uppercases. Uppercase and lowercase both are works. Correct? Both are works. Now combination of uppercase and lowercase also works. And lowercase works. Yeah. Number as I told you, right? Naresh Shetty offers the lab for their mentors will be available. She is a data science mentor. Like that, we are 4 or 5 data science mentors are there. So if you have any doubts, if you want to practice regularly, you can come and sit here. If you want to deviate from the hostel or from the home, we can come here. For especially online people is there are 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. is the lab is there. So utilize the mentors. You can call me at any time. That is not a problem. But if I'm busy, right, we will delay you to your errors. So that's why if your mentors is there, you can clarify with them. So that's why after the session, go to the labs and work 2 hours and then go to the home. That is the plan. So online people lab is 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. is for online lab. That is for online students. That means they will share one link. They will share one link so that you can attend that. And offline is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. 8 p.m. to 8 p.m. is the offline lab. Offline lab. 8 p.m. Anyhow, you have a class from 9 to 10:30, right? 9 a.m. to 10:30 is available. And go to the direct lab till spend like 12:30 and then go to home, have lunch, have a sleep, again study in the evening. That's all. Simple. Those are office work you need to manage, office work people. Okay. Let's see. Every day labs will be there. So, okay. Number as, which will not work? Prefix. Number as prefix will not work. Correct? Number as prefix will not work. For example, 1, 2, 3, number will not work. And what are not working? Tell me. Space between the words, the variables. The variables will not work. What are not working? Symbols. Okay, symbols also will not work. Other than underscore, no symbol will work. No symbol will works. And underscore will work. Underscore will work. And one more thing. Let's see here. Let's see here. Only underscore is equal to 300. Works or fail? Works or fail? What is the color? Black color. Any spaces? No spaces. Simple black color. So it will works. So it will works. So that's why underscore will work. Clear? Next. See, Python is very easy or not? Python is easy, ma. Python is very easy. And we will learn Python by doing the, by like play. The class is always like a play only. You will help me and I will help you. You will do manually. You will enjoy like that. Let's see here. If is equal to 500, works or fail? What is the color of if? Green color. So it will be fail. For equal to 500, fail or works? Fail. Now tell me, what is if, what is for, what is while, what is else? Loops also there, condition is also there, right? And these all are what? Keywords. What are they called? Keywords. In the Python, the name is what? Keywords. Keywords always in the which color? Green color. Green color means keyword. Green color means keyword. When you write accidentally something, it is coming green color means you need to immediately strike that it is a keyword and it is not used as a variable. It is not used as a variable. That you need to remember. Keywords will not use as a variable. Keywords will not use as a variable. See now, so many points we have mentioned here, right? And everything you know now. Everything you know. If I provide something, you can easily tell, right? Correct? Let's see now. You can easily say that. Yeah. Suppose now, fixed acidity 1 is equal to 700. Tell me, works or fail? Works or fail? Pakka? Why? Black color. Okay, very good. You know, then no need to requirement again now. You know that. You know this. Derek sir. Okay. చేద్దాం 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 Like if you visit the previous classes or you don't understand the previous class or any topic, raise your hands, no issue. Anyway, we are going to arrange a backup class. If anyone is there like that, then you can just raise your hand. We'll take a 40 minutes to 1 hour class for that on Monday or Tuesday. Okay, just raise your hand. Who are required this? More? Or anyone more? No. Or anyone? So rest of all, just handle. Okay. Don't need any backup. Right? Okay, both of you just write your names and go. We'll take a backup class on Monday or Tuesday. And now required and she is the lab mentor and she will take care of your practicals and whatever doubts you have. She will be clearing in this, your doubts in that lab. Lab is in third floor. And once the practical starts, then faculty will inform you when they have to come and do the practicals. And that time you just come to the third floor. You can use the lab facility for 2 to 3 hours per day. And timing will be 8 AM to 8 PM. You can come at any time. After the class of you can just do your comfortable time and come back to the lab. Yeah. So Rajesh sir is simply saying that every day some people are joining newly, right? Some people. So you might miss previous classes. What's going on? So for those especially, we are conducting one backup class. If you are interested, you can give the name. Okay, like what is data science, what is machine learning type, but that one we learn, right? Slowly we are feeding. That is from Monday onwards, it is a completely regular classes. So don't miss from Monday onwards. Okay. So those who are in the online, those who are anyone started new, right? today is the first demo or yesterday is the first demo kind of. If you feel you miss something, anything, please give the names to the admin. Okay, this is from online people. So those who are feeling that if you miss some demos, anyhow, that YouTube links will be there. Admin will share that. If you still you miss something, if you want to discuss, take the number of Rajeshwari Madam. Take the number of Rajeshwari Madam for online people. And we'll conduct a one backup session. And every day I'm repeating what we are covering yesterday. That is anyhow. Yeah. So you are good. Tell me what is your feeling on Python now? Easy to learn? Easy to learn or not compared to other things? The Python is easy to learn, ma. Believe me, Python is easy to learn. Anyone can learn Python. That's why no 7th class student got the business analytics job in Tech Mahindra. By 25,000 package, 25,000 rupees package. 7th class student. Okay, anyone can learn. That is, and got the job in Tech Mahindra 2 years back, not recently. That is, in 2 years back. The people are providing that. Sir, shortcut for new cell rather than clicking on. If you run automatically, new cell will come. Suppose you see right here. Suppose you are writing B is equal to number is equal to 1000. Now this is empty input empty. That means you are not run anything, right? If you run the line, if you run the code, automatically a new line will create. See, new line is created. You don't need to create the lines. You don't need to create the line. To run the lines, you can go to here. There's a run option is there. There's a run option is there. You can run manually, but I will not recommend. There's a shortcut is there. Shift plus enter. What is there? Shift plus enter. Automatically, one button is shift and one button is enter. Do like this. No, the step is there. No, Prabhudeva step. This is shift enter like that. And if you come to here, this is to increase more cells. Plus means you already know. What is the plus means? Add cells. What is cut means? Cut the cells. And up means you want to go cell up. You want to go cell down. Now the cell go is down. And the cell go is up. Like that. So everything is one use case is there. You don't need to worry. Automatically when you practice, it will come automatically. That is no need to worry about that. Slowly, whenever the requirement is there, I will explain that. So Python is very easy. Python is very easy. Let's see. Yeah, and one more important announcement. Now tomorrow is no class. Tomorrow is no class. That is one more important thing. So direct next class on Monday. Tomorrow no class, but tomorrow workshop is there. Tomorrow no class. And tomorrow, why no class is? Tomorrow I have some workshop. Tomorrow I have workshop. I have workshop to conduct on behalf of Naresh IT, okay? Behalf of Naresh IT. And the concept is we change, ma. That is called machine learning. Machine learning deployment. Deployment using Streamlit applications. Okay, this is the concept and this is free for all. Free for all. You can join this workshop at 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. So in that I will show that how to develop the machine learning model and how to create the app application. That I will show that in that. But again, no need to worry about the code because you are babies, right? You should not think like that Mahesh Babu movie. Like what movie is there? No, Mahesh Babu movie. What is that? Nani. He is a child, but he is passionate about the elders. When I want to become elder, when I want to become elder, one day you become elder and you feel guilty. So like that, okay? You are now child. You are a babies. Slowly you will go. So don't run behind about the codes. Because I am a pro, because you are now just learning. I want to explain the workshop. There are some codes will be there. Without codes, I can't explain, right? So you should not worry about the code. What do you need to worry? The approach. Sir explain that machine learning approach. What is the data science? What is the data? Tell me. Understanding the past data and predict the future. Correct? That is the data science. How Sar is doing that? How Sar is doing that? That only Sar is taken one data set. He divided data into two parts because one data is for training purpose, another data is for testing purpose. Like that, you need to understand the concept. Once you understand the concept, code is my jimadar, I will take care of that. How to teach the code and everything that is. So you don't need to worry about that. So tomorrow, no class? Online, it is completely online. It's completely online. So you go to the Naresh IT Twitter thing. Naresh IT Twitter thing, and here you will see this is the workshop. So just enroll this. Okay. There are so many platforms are there, right, for Naresh IT. Facebook is there, Instagram is there, Twitter is there, and YouTube is there. Is a pay pin, something kind of Pinterest. Yesterday only somebody told this, but I not still remember that is. Okay, this is the workshop. So let's see some more thing about the Python. So you are good at variables, everyone good at variables. You are good at variables. Good at variable. Very good. Let's see one more thing. Generally, what happen Python? In Python, what happen? You number write number equal to 100 you write now. Then if you type number, the answer will come automatically. What is the type of this 100? What is the type? Data type. It is an integer. You don't need to mention that. You don't need to mention that. Automatically it is taken as integer only. Automatically it considered as integer. Further, there is one kind of is there called type. Type is which color? So it is a keyword. That's all. If an interviewer asks what are the some keywords means you need to say at least 10 keywords very fast. Like that. Type is a keyword. Type of number. When you're done, what is coming? Integer. What will come? Integer will come. Automatically it's taking as a integer. Now suppose if I give one more number, if I give number 1 is equal to 100.5, what is the number? Float. Then type of TYPE, type of number 1 is equal to what? It is a float. It is a float. So like that, there are some important types will be available. One is the integer type, another is the float type, and another one is the string type, and another one is the Boolean type, and another one is the complex conjugate type. These are the very, very important data types. One is the integer type, another one is the float type, string type, Boolean type, complex type. Int type means was integer. What is this called? Integer. We'll call it as integer, but how can we write ma? INT, that's all. INT. INT is which color? That's a keyword. Now we'll talk it as a float and the written also same thing. Float only. FLOAT, float. And we call it a string. String means what? English letters. String means what? English letters, characters. That is called strings. STRING, string. English letter. Bool means what? Boolean. Boolean values. That is called Boolean. Boolean means what? True and false. If you ask anything question to computer, what it will give? True and false only it will give. Okay, computer will say only true and false. That we need to understand again some other thing. Now see, int is coming green color, float is coming green color, string is coming green color, Boolean, complex, and true also coming which color? False is coming. Now tell me 10 keywords fast. Tell me 10 keywords. Int, float, string, Boolean, complex, true, false, if, for, while, else, def, type. Amma, 15 you said. That is. Understood that is. So green color is the keyword. Green color is the keyword that is. So let's see. Complex is the complex type. We'll say the complex. What is the example of integer? 100. What is the example of float? 100.5. Now, what is the example of string? Let's come to the string now, okay? Let's come to anything. Suppose name equal to Python. Now tell me, it will work or fail? It will work or fail? Py. Both are black ma. Both are. Python is which color? Name is which color? So Python is now what is that? Python is a variable. Name is what? It is a variable. Both are variable. Now Python is a variable. You are saving in which variable? What is this meaning? What is this meaning? Tell me. We are saving Python in name, correct? Python in name. But what is Python here? What is Python? What is Python? It's a variable. Which color? It is a variable, not character. What is name here? What is name here? It is also variable. Now tell me, you are saying Python, you are saving in name, right? Have you initialized the Python above? Anywhere have you initialized that? You say the variable, right? Is Python having any value? Is now the next question is what? The next question is what? Is Python has any value? Tell me. Is Python has any value? No, right? So if name take any value, then is name take any value? No, right? So what you will get? You will get error. You will get error. What you will get? You will get error. What error you will get? Python is not defined. Exactly. Python you did not initialize before. You are initialized before. Then you are calling that. How can your code will understand? That's why it is getting the error. Python is not initialized before. Suppose you initialize Python here. Suppose you initialize Python Python is equal to 200. Then 200 saved in which variable? Python. Now Python is saved in which variable? Name. So it will work. Python is very simple. You did not provided Python before. Python, first of all, Python is what? It's a black color. Black color means what? Variable. Have you initialized the variable before? No. So how can I understood? How can I understood? You will ask your mama or papa, no? You did not tell before. How can I know? You did not tell before, no? How can I know? That question frequently ask your friends and the family, right? The same way. You did not tell where is the Python is existed before, then how can I know? If you write the same thing, like this, name 1 is equal to, in the quotes, Python. Now Python is in which color? Red color. Is it variable? No, it is not a variable. Now it is a string. Now it is a string. So name 1 will now exist. It is exist. Now type of name 1. TYPE, type of name 1. It is what? It is a str. Now understood the difference between variable and strings? Strings write-offs all should be in which color? Red color. Variables in which color? Black color. Keywords in which color? That's it. Half of Python is over. Half of Python is over. So now the example is what? It is in the red. The red color. You can give double quotes or you can provide the single quotes also. Anything will work till it is a red color. Till it is a red color. Now Boolean you already know. What is the Boolean? True and false. So A is equal to TRUE. Tell me it will work or fail? Tell me it works or fail? Why it will fail? And then more answers. Srushti is correct. Nikita is correct. Kumar is correct. What about others? Both are in black color. Okay, first of all, that means true also is what? True is also is a variable. True is also a variable. Now, what is the next question? Have you initialized before? Have you initialized before? Initialized before the variable The variable, what is the variable? True. The variable true. If you initialize, no error. If you not initialize, error will come. What error will come? True is not defined. What error will come? True is not defined. Normal English, no? True is not defined. True is not defined. Then I'm running C. What is coming? Name true is not defined because you not initialize before. Now, if you initialize before, if you initialize, true is equal to 700, then it will not the error. It will not the error. Now, you write three things. Now, you need to say now. A is equal to true. A1 is equal to true. A2 is equal to true. Tell me, what are the difference of all these three? First one is what? First one is what type? Int. Why int first type? What is the first type? What is the first type of answer? What is the type of A here? What is the type of A? What is the type of A here? And what is the type of A here? And what is A1? And what is the type of A here? First one is what? Tell me, why is int? Tell me the answer. Because true is initialized how much? 700. True is initialized how much? 700 you are saving which one? A. So it is what? A is now what type? Integer. Now, second one is capital TRUE. Which color? Green color. It is now what type? Boolean type. Now, this is true in which one? String. So, which type? String. That's all. Easy. Any doubts in this? Still anyone have doubt? That's it. Now, you understood. Let's run this. Type of A. Type of A. A is equal to integer. Because there is a true is saved. True is saved in A. Correct? What is the value of true? What is the value of true? What is the value of true? Is 700. So that is an integer. So that is A. Now type of TYP type of A1. It is a bool because true capital TRUE capital T is saved in variable A1. Now next TYP type of A2. A2 is nothing but what now? Small quotation in true saved in variable A2. Clear? No doubts. Can you please confirm the chat? Can you please confirm the chat? Can you please confirm the chat? Please respond in the chat, ma. Otherwise, how can I know that you are understood or not? How can I know that is? Out of 65 people, 6 members, 7 members, 8 members. What is the percentage? Tell me. Out of 60, 10 members. What is the percentage? 10% approximately? 10, 12? Arey yaar. 50% should be get. Now tell me, what is the answer of A? What is the answer A? What is the answer A? Tell me, what is the answer A? Error. Shiva saying error. Shiva saying error. Tell me, what is the answer? See, whenever you want to deal with Python programming language or any programming language, you need to understand first, you are not a human being. You are also a computer. Okay, you need to understand that first. Okay, if you want to talk with your child, how can you talk with your child? You will go to his mind or not? You know bike, but you don't know bike, right? One day he said that he will say that, Papa, this is bike means what you will say? Yeah, beta, this is bike. You will say. You already know no bike, no? But you will do this kind of drama or not? That means you are going to his mind or not? Whenever you thinking with computer also, you need to go to that mind. Computer how will think? Computer will think step by step. Human being will think direct answer. So you also think like a step by step. Then only you will understand the programming language. What is the first step? What is the first step? Tell me. Exactly write the first step. True is saved in A. What is true value? So 700 saved in A. That is the first step. What is the second step? What is the second step? Capital true. Capital true is saved in A again. Saved in A. Now what is step 3? What is step 3? String is saved in A. String is saved in A. In A. Now see here. First you write this. TRUE A is saved in A. So A value is what? 700. Second step is what? TRU is saved in A. So A is what here? Variable or constant? A is a variable. So it will vary. Every time it will vary. So first time it is 700. Second time is true. What is the third time? String into. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Say loudly. The answer is true. What is the latest one? That is the answer. What is the latest one? That is the answer. So now say here. A is equal to 800. A is equal to 900. A is equal to 1000. What is the answer? What is the answer? 1000. That's all. Think like a computer, step by step. Then only you will not miss any steps. There are 200 lines of code. Even though you need to do first line, second line, third line, fourth line, like that only you need to do. Your mind should become a compiler. Your mind also should become a compiler. Then only you will understand the exact mistake. Okay, to understand the mistakes, then only you will become a good developer. Remember this lifetime. Those who understand the errors, he only becomes a good developer. Suppose if you show your code to your manager, he will understand the error, right? How can he understand the error? Because he has some experience, right? He know how to do the code. He know how to write the code. He know how to understand the code. Let's see one more question. Let's see one more question. Name equal to Python and name1 is equal to name and name2 is equal to name1. What is the name2 value? Tell me, what is the name2 value? What is the name2 value? Is the first step, step 1. Name value is what? Or what is the output name is equal to? Python. That is a string. Step 2. Step 2. What is the name1 equal to? Name only, right? Then again, what is the answer? Python only. And step 3. Step 3. Name2. What you saved? Name1. But name1 is what? Python. So what is the answer? So the answer is Python. That's it. Step by step you need to think. No direct judge answer. Step by step. Starting you need to follow this mantra. Then after 1 year, after 2 years, what happens? Automatically your mind will get the answer automatically. You need to train your mind. You need to train your mind. Like we will train our heart no by walking, by running. While you run, what happens? Your heartbeat will reach to 130, 140. That means we are training our heart. If you reach 140 also, I will be safe. If you not run, if you not walk, what happen? One day 130 it will reach, you will die. So that's why we need to train our mind in the starting day, step by step. After 1 year or 2 years, you will become a pro in the coding. And tomorrow, any programming language, you will understand like this only because your mind already tuned. Your mind already tuned like that. Understood? Python is easy, ma. Okay. One, please enroll as soon as possible. And Monday, bring the laptops and notebooks. Those who are not bring the laptops also, we have a documentation is there. Okay. I have written all the documentation also for you. Anaconda installation process, every very clear steps I have written. Okay, with the screenshots. What is the step one? Where you need to go? You need to go to the Google, and what you need to enter. What is the step one? The red box also it is visible that you can see. That is step 3, step 4, step 5. Everything I have dictated. Even though if you don't have laptop also, you can come and listen. And once you get the laptop, I will share this document. You can install by using this. Everything will be there. But make sure that come with laptops and enroll as soon as possible. You definitely will enjoy this course. There is no doubt at all. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, you can talk to me. Otherwise, you can leave. Ma. If you have any doubts, you can talk to me. Otherwise, you can leave. Thank you, Mama Ishwar. Yeah, thank you. Come here.